Hello friends, in this video we will learn that how we can swap two numbers without using temporary variable in Python, or basically in lot of programming contests or in interviews, people are asked to swap two numbers without using temporary variable. Okay, our common tendency is to use temporary variable and we swap two variables. But if we have a restriction that we cannot use temporary variable, then we can explicitly swap two numbers using one of the interesting technique of bit manipulation called XOR. Okay, so let's understand it with example. Let's say I have a variable assigned to 5 and I have b variable assigned to 7. How I can swap these two variables value uh, with each other is, I will simply say b equals a XOR b, a equals b XOR a, and b equals b XOR a. Okay, if I print these values now and let's run this program. Okay, when I run this program, you can see that a is 7 and b equals 5. Okay, so we have successfully swapped these two variables. Now how it is working. Okay, so please see my earlier video about bit manipulation, algorithmic problem solving techniques in Python. Okay, there I have explained all the properties of XOR. Okay, so what we are doing here, basically let's consider binary. Okay, so binary of 5 is 0 1 0 1. Okay, binary of 7 is 0 1 1 1. Okay, here we are doing XOR of these two binary numbers. Okay, so in XOR, the property of XOR is, if both the numbers are, if in binary, if both the bits are same, then value is 0. XOR of that bit is 0. If both the bits are different, then value is 1. Okay, so here going from LSB to MSB, 1 1 0, 0 1 is 1, and 1 1 again 0, and 0 0 is uh, 0. Okay, so here we are getting this value. Okay, then at this place we are again XORing this above value with original a, which is this. Okay, so when I XOR this value with this, what we get 1 1 1. Okay, and again here what I am doing, I am again XORing this particular value now with this value. Okay, b XOR a. So when I XOR this with this, I get 0 1 0 1, which is equal to 5, and it is equal to 7. So this is how this program of swapping to variable is working. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you want to understand more about XOR and its properties, please see my earlier video about bit manipulation techniques. To learn more about such interesting algorithmic problem solving techniques, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.